What's up, guys? Today we're tackling one of the biggest headaches in home networking, getting a solid internet signal outdoors. Whether you've got a massive garden, a farm, or a remote workspace, standard routers just don't cut it. Enter the Cudy AC12004 LTE Outdoor Router. This beast is designed to survive the elements while pumping out high-speed data. Let's get into it and see what's inside the box. All right, let's crack this open. First thing you notice is the build quality. It's got that rugged industrial feel. Definitely not your average plastic router. As we pull it out, you'll see the main unit is surprisingly compact but feels very durable. Inside, Cudy provides everything to get you up and running. The PoE adapter, which is a lifesaver because it sends power and data through a single cable. The mounting brackets, and of course, those high-gain antennas we'll be attaching in a second. Now let's look at the bottom panel. This is where the magic happens. You've got your SIM card slot, completely plug and play. Just pop in a nano SIM from any provider and you're good to go. No need to run miles of fiber optic cables. There's also the LAN/WAN port for your Ethernet connection. The seal on this cover is tight, which is key for that IP65 waterproof rating. This thing can handle rain, dust, and extreme heat without breaking a sweat. Technical-wise, we're looking at dual-band AC1200 Wi-Fi. That means you're getting smooth 2.4 gigahertz for long range and 5 gigahertz for those high-speed tasks like streaming or gaming outdoors. Those two detachable antennas aren't just for show. They provide massive coverage. And for my DIY crowd, look how easy this mounting system is. You can strap this to a pole or bolt it to a wall in under 5 minutes. It also features 4 kilovolt lightning protection, so you don't have to worry about the next big storm frying your gear. Final thoughts? If you need reliable, weatherproof internet without the hassle of complex wiring, the Cudy LT400 is a no-brainer. It's fast, tough, and super easy to set up. I'll be doing a full speed test in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech and DIY builds. Catch you in the next one.